Hello YouTube, this is Emmanuel from Emmanuel Landscape. We back on our site. Another snowstorm in the making. As you can see, it's coming down, starting to stick. We already pre-treated our street, or our parking lot. Check everything out. We have the Snow Blizzard 8000 HD 8-foot plow. We have the Ram 2500 5.7 gas 2003. We also have a skid assault, which is 49 bags at 50 pounds a bag. We have this tailgate spreader, the Salt Dog TG03. TGS03, I think that's the model of it, with the 200-pound vibrator. Salt already filled up, ready to go. Yeah, we just sit here, just letting everything pretty much, you see, the rock salt always laid down. Really got it pre, but it's starting to stick already. We'll start plowing that by about 2 inches. May put another run of salt down in about 15 minutes. But here's signing out, Emmanuel Landscape.